Today is a historic moment, yet again, for the third time, that the Northern Korea is witnessing consecration of the third mission. Zobanika bazahanga umuntu wa kashatu abakuristayo abarokore ubureberezwa n'Sankore bazaza ubijomosha. Ubureberezwa n'Sankore mubasa kubakashana na kandi mareberezwa mu Uganda obu ukabaho ukategwaho ukumireho ahabinjira Yesu Kristo. Kubaho kwabo ebirukorwa umureberezo yemereye munonga amusinzwe mu Yesu Kristo abona kushora. Icya kabiri aha umureberezo kurganuzaho hakabamo urwezo rw'amana munonga icyo kubyarwa hajona nikera nikitoka nikimera nawe kisharurwa kikanya no kukanya aho babazara umuntu ubu Bishop Emeritus John Mwambia yakandikire umurumo ubu Bishop Emeritus Stephen Namanya yongesereze umurumo ukubina amatsiko mhango ubu Bishop Alfred Namore Mbozo batandika kandi ututumanya baza kwenegeza ihangara aha okujurwa n'ikikuru munonga okumanyahanga no kumukorora ikikurete ntunguka amashobero gombekiwe amakanisa gombekiwe amafamu gakozwe ibintu byona gakozwe kandi bakunda makaba. Now, Your Excellency, let me say this in English. We are so grateful to His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, and to you when the cabinet sat and the decision was passed that money be found to procure immediately a food vaccine. And it was procured, and we have already started vaccinating our animals, and we are looking forward to upliftment of the quarantine restriction so soon, so we can take our children back to school. And in Chimwebaza, kandi mtumangu atwebaraze uwikiyensa munonga President Dr. Museveni ahabuko bakashika mu cabinet bagira ngo kinguzwe kitewo mungora esente zorondwe ombazo go kutsirike barayezo bakweho ente ziterwe basibye batirwa tubone kwigurota yewe tunokeho karantini no kuguma tugaragaza state umuhero n'umugabo Excellency, we have a president as leader in Parliament. I will request them to stand up. I will bring it and give it over to you. We are also mindful of the leadership code. So our president has the leadership code did not put it in consideration. It's so valuable that the value cannot be. You don't have to declare it. Toi, il peut carrer les mairies, toi, tu veux casser et tu raboter tout, et tu ne vas pas, ou tu tiens ça, non, au mieux, au président. Alors, on va dire, tu vas rapporter, tu déclares, et pour qui tu sais tout. Sinon, on va changer, on va